Hello, good morning. Today is a Friday and it's one of my favorite days because it's a haircut day for me. The last haircut that I got was actually in really late November and it's now late February, so I'm definitely overdue for a haircut. And I'm really excited because I just love when a salon stylist does the full blow dry and styling, and I don't know how to do any of that by myself really. I used to actually, like, for years and years, up until like basically this week, I have been brushing my hair right after getting out of the shower, you know, putting it in a towel for like a couple minutes. That I think is making my hair a little bit frizzy, plus brushing it like immediately after that so it's still very wet. So yeah, I'm trying something else, which is instead of detangling my hair out of the shower with hairbrush, I am detangling it inside the shower right after I condition my hair and then just running my fingers through. And I think that my hair felt a little bit bouncier. I felt like I had a little bit more volume. Oh, and I forgot, I'm also taking my hair and wrapping it in a towel. I've also been like doing my part different. So every time I go in to get a haircut, I always have them just cut it down the middle. But then when my hair is actually parted down the middle, it looks flat. Like it gets really flat when I do that. So I've decided that I'm trying this little slightly angled side part, and I think that I like the way that looks a little better. I think that it just frames my face a little bit better. I'm not sure because I don't really do it. I just like flip my hair all the time and I'll just kind of let it go crazy, but then it ends up looking like a mess and I can't be consistent about a hairstyle ever. It's just whatever is my mood that day with flipping my hair. So anyway, I'm gonna try and see if they can cut it with this little side angle thing, and then maybe it will also make a difference in how my hair is laying. My hair is like kind of limp today because I haven't washed it. I was saving it for my hair wash at the salon, so I wasn't washing my hair 2 days in a row, but yeah, so it's looking a little limp. I think that I just want to get it cleaned up. I don't want to do anything crazy. I just wanted to kind of dust the edges and then maybe have my stylist like shape my hair a little bit more. So I'm really excited, but yeah, it's like a treat for me to go because I go like basically once a quarter. So I'm excited. This is what it looks like from the back. I don't think it looks that bad. It definitely doesn't look that bad for 3 months. We'll see what magic my stylist can work to make it a little bit bouncier and easier to just air dry it and have it look a little bit naturally wavy. That's the goal. Something else that I am doing today is decorating my office. So my husband and I have lived in our house for a few years, but I've kind of let my walls be a little bit bare because the plan was always for us to move out. We weren't going to stay here permanently, so I haven't really put a lot of effort into decorating. I just kind of wanted it to be easy to like pack up once it was time to go. But then I've kind of just been in a decoraty mood, so I think that I'm ready to decorate, and I have been a little bit. I have like my string lights that I have that make me really happy, and I just like need twinkle lights in my life because I just can't. I just need like cute twinkly lights, and so I've had these for a long time. But then I have these really cute little vintagey posters that I have on my wall. So I'm actually going to do another set of them right below. So here are the new art pieces. And then, okay, I am so excited about this. I got a new computer and I'm so excited. I'm not a gamer girl, but my husband has bought a computer with this brand before, I Buy Power. I'm so excited. We're setting it up this weekend, and it's basically because this computer has died. I literally have to leave this charged if I want to do anything with it, and yeah, it's basically gone. I've had this for 10 years maybe, and the only cool thing about it though, I will say, is that it has an SD card. Okay, so also kind of super random, but I've been reading Sherlock Holmes like for an embarrassingly long amount of time because, I don't know, short stories are harder for me to like pick up and get into, and you really just have to like be in it for the duration of the short story. You can't just like read a couple pages and then do something else and hop back in. Like, it's harder to, I don't know, keep the focus of the story. So I read volume 1, loved it. It's taken me so long to read volume 2, and I don't know why. I think that it's kind of denser writing, which I love, but I have honestly liked the first half of it, and then this, like, the case book, okay, this is so random, but it's like, it's so bad. These stories are so, there's one in particular that I can't even read it. It's so bad, and it's the Adventure of the Three Gables. It was so horrible. It's like, it doesn't even match the typical character or style of writing of Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, and it's so annoying because I am a completist in the way that I want to finish it, but at the same time, it's like, I can't read that story. It's so bad. And then I'm like really pushing myself to just finish it and kind of get it over with at this point, because it's not really holding my interest the way that it used to. But I've spent so much time invested into reading this, and I just feel like I really need to finish it at this point. But anyway, the random thing is I figured out what kind of bookmarks I love the most, and I used to have just like regular bookmarks, I had these really pretty ones. They have like vintage stamps on them, and they're really pretty, and they're laminated, but I always, like, they'll fall out of the book, or like I will be reading it and then accidentally move the book in a way that my bookmark will fall out, and then I lose where I'm at, and I have no memory of like what page I'm on. So I got these little thingies. They're like tabs. I don't know what they're called. They're like little post-it tab things, and I love them so much because I just put one at the starting point of where I'm going to start, and then in this case, it's like, this is just the end of the story, so it's like the marker of where I'm going to end for that little section that I'm reading. But yeah, I love these, and they never fall out, and like, it's so nice. I just find them so much more convenient. So yeah, I really like this little system that I have come up with for reading. Hello, I'm back from my haircut, and I think it came out really nice. I decided to go with a side part and asked my stylist to cut it that way. So I think I have these kind of like pseudo bangs now, and I like it. So I think it's a nice shape, and I think that the back looks good. I think that it looks very healthy, which is what I was going for. Now I am going to do some of the wall art that I was talking about earlier. It's just a little decorative art project. I think I want to read a little bit more this afternoon. Hello, it is the next day. Basically, all of yesterday we spent figuring out the computer programs and just doing like logins and things like that to get it all set up. So today my husband and I are going to a really cute little French diner. It's called French Diner and it's in our downtown area. So that's gonna be really good. My favorite thing to get at French restaurants is a croque madame. So we're gonna go out in a little bit to go there. And then when we get back, I think I'm going to do a little bit of bullet journaling. It is the last day of February, so I need to set up my March bullet journal pages. And I actually just got a new sticker book. I have been getting a couple of these sticker books from the same brand, I guess, but this one is the Mythical Earth sticker book, so these are all really pretty. I'm just really into these Art Nouveau stickers, and I think they look so pretty in my bullet journal, so yeah, I'm gonna decorate with these. But that is all for today, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!